amazing. I'm gonna finish this here.
Hi guys, Hatem Matar here. Welcome to another episode of Grill and Thrill, powered by Weber, brought to you by Jumbo. One of my favorite things to do on any of the Weber equipments is the rotisserie. And today we're going to be making one of everybody's favorite sandwiches. We're going to be making shawarma on the Genesis, on the rotisserie. The key to a good shawarma is of course the bread, tahina, or some people call it tarator, parsley, garlic, onions, and tomatoes. We put all of these together with a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of sumat, and that pickling turns it into just a beautiful salad, beautiful relish to go with the shawarma. And our main ingredient is actually on the rotisserie as we speak. All right, so the Weber Genesis, our digital thermometer sees and shows us the temperature inside. We're currently at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this time we've actually turned on all 4 burners, which allows us to get a really high temperature. And the reason we're doing that is because this is a lamb leg that's bone in. Let's take a look. A very nice slow turn. Once we get the temperature a little bit hotter than this, we're gonna turn it all the way down, and we're gonna do this low and slow, but on the rotisserie. Let's give it the time it needs to fall off the bone. This is what our lamb looks like after being on the rotisserie for about 3 hours. We wrapped it, we glazed it, and it's so tender now. Look at the skin, look at the color of the meat inside. Okay. Got our nice bread here. A little bit of tahina. I like extra on mine. Look at the color of that lamb from the outside, the color on the inside. From the high heat, it's got multiple layers of doneness. There's pink. We're gonna stack this really high. All right, our colored tomatoes. How beautiful is that? Our onions. We've got our parsley, another layer of tahina. Wow. So there you have it, our rotisserie lamb leg shawarma in the Genesis, powered by Weber, brought to you by Jumbo. I hope you guys enjoyed what we made. Don't record me while I'm having fun. Voila. This is amazing.